Hello, good evening. I'm smiling. Tonight, yes, tonight. Today is one of those days I make my video in the night before I go to bed. Like I said, it's been crazy and I've been failing to make these videos. I'm sure my face can show there's something wrong with me. I haven't been well for the past few weeks, but I am here today. I'm committed to this cause. I keep saying so. So I'm here. I'm going to make time. I'm going to put effort whenever I can. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'm Black, I'm Bemba, and I'm proud. If you're new, you are welcome. Tell your friends, your children, your relatives about this channel, and let's learn and preserve Zambian culture together through the proverbs that are shared on this channel. Before I share the ones that I've prepared tonight, I want to take you back to the previous video that I shared and correct a word in one of the proverbs. Someone watched the video and they told me I mispronounced one word, which ultimately changed the meaning of the word. So it's the same spelling, but two different words. Excuse me. This is the first proverb I shared. I'll share the link of the previous video so that you can watch that one and understand which one I'm talking about in particular. The word, the proverb was Inda ilile kanga taivalala. What I should have said was Inda ilile kanga taivalala. Inda is lice, the way I explained it, but I should have said Inda, which is a deep Bemba word which means stomach. So I should have said the stomach that has swallowed a guinea fowl will not adopt the color of the guinea fowl to show that this is the stomach that has eaten the guinea fowl. Two words, same spelling. However, the interpretation of that proverb remains as I explained in the previous video. Only the one word that I mispronounced was wrong. So the pronunciation changed the word. Please take note. Mr. Msonda, thank you very much for the feedback. Thank you for the correction. And every time someone gives me feedback, I'm encouraged. It tells me people are taking time, they are taking interest to learn, and in this case, to teach me. So we are progressing together. Thank you so much. Tonight, I'm going to share 4 or 5 if time will allow. And the first one is Mwikala patalala, mwine apatalalika. Mwikala patalala, mwine apatalalika. The one who wants peace should create peace. The one who wants to live in peace should give peace. That's the translation stroke interpretation. Okay. An elaborate interpretation is if you want to live in peace, you should create peace yourself. You should give peace yourself. So you're not going to create a hostile or toxic environment. You're not going to be a toxic person and expect to live in peace with others. The peace you wish to live in, the peace you wish to have, you should give it and you should create it. Okay? I will not ignore that we live in a crazy world where sometimes people just want to fight you, even when you're a peaceful person. The same peace will make others want to fight you. Ala ipanga. Why are they quiet? Why are they not social? That is a problem to someone, and they want to find ways and opportunities where they can get in conflict with you. You can still maintain your peace. You can avoid toxic people, you can avoid toxic environments and situations and maintain your peace. This is not to say people should allow walk all over them, toss them aside, and just watch because they want to live in peace. No. You can still talk to people peacefully and tell them that you will not fight with them, but they should not provoke you. There are so many ways of maintaining your peace without fighting back. You don't have to hit back, you don't have to insult back, you don't have to do anything that you will make you in conflict can refuse to be disrespected without disrespecting anyone. So if you want peace, create peace, give peace, and that peace will be your portion. Number two, Ichikupempula, echikulya. This one I shared in my introductory video, except I did not interpret it. I just said it and left it hanging. What it means is the one that visits you is the one that is going to harm you. Okay? Excuse me, the person that uh, is close to you is the one that is most likely going to hurt you. Betrayal comes from people who are close to us. That's the interpretation of Ichikupempula, echikulya. Okay? So, if I try to find something similar in English, it's that situation of keep your enemies, your friends close and your enemies closer. Some people will get close to us and pretend to be our friends, not knowing they are just waiting for a time and opportunity to destroy us. Okay? So, we've heard stories of women who lost their marriages to their best friends, and we've heard of men who were poisoned by their business partners. Okay? Because these are people we've come to trust, people we think are our family, people we think are our good friends, and so we bring them close to us, not knowing one day they are going to be the ones to harm us. So let's be careful who we let into our lives and how much we allow people into our lives. Number three, quickly, is Tondolo Musuma. Tondolo Musuma. This one is applicable to a lot of situations. Two of them is in conflict resolution. By keeping quiet, you avoid a lot of trouble. People are bound to just speculate when you are quiet, and they will not tap your mouth and twist your words and land you into problems for things that you did not say. So when you are quiet, you are safe. Also, apart from avoiding problems and conflicts with people, Tondolo Musuma, because when you keep quiet and not tell people about your plans, your aspirations, whatever is happening in your life, they are not going to destroy it. What people don't know, they cannot destroy it. Akanwa kulashimika fiance fiance, you make others, you make it easy for people to destroy you. Okay? You have this business plan. Before you have the resources for it, you are sharing with people who have the resources. They'll go ahead of you and steal your idea. Apart from that, you are going to announce about this relationship which is new, and you announce to people who don't want to see you happy. They are going to go behind your back and tell lies about you, or not lies, but the things you did akade, and destroy that relationship. Tondolo Musuma. Silence is golden. So let's learn to keep quiet and not share everything and anything about our lives. I said I'll share four or five, but I'll end at three because I'm looking at time and I don't want to be going beyond 10, 11 minutes. For now, like, share, subscribe, and I'll be back. Good night.